to kindly address the gathering with her valuable words. Please give her a huge round of applause.
गुड आफ्टरनून। सभी अभिभावकों को नमस्कार, सभी शिक्षकों को नमस्कार। सरस्वती माता के चरणों में प्रणाम करते हुए आज शिवा इंटरनेशनल रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल के आज के कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित श्री दिलीप सिंह चंदेल जी, जो हम सब के बीच में बिलासपुर की शान है और शूटिंग की दुनिया में इनका एक अपना नाम है, आपका इस कार्यक्रम में अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आज हमारे बीच गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के रूप में जोगिंद्रा जामवाल जी हैं। हमारे साथ ही उपस्थित हैं पुरुषोत्तम जी, मधु जी, जो इस इंस्टीट्यूशन शिवा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ही नहीं, शिवा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन के निर्माता हैं, फाउंडर हैं और इनके मार्गदर्शन में अनेकों अनेक संस्थाएं बिलासपुर में पहली बार प्रारंभ हुई और पहली बार शुरुआत हुई। इसके लिए इनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहती हूँ। प्रिंसिपल शिल्पा गोयल जी, प्रिंसिपल राकेश कुमार जी, हमारे बीच उपस्थित चेतना संस्था के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर कश्मीर जी, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर आयुष शर्मा और अदिति शर्मा, जो यंग जनरेशन एजुकेशन की फील्ड में नेतृत्व देने के लिए, कार्य करने के लिए उपस्थित हैं। ऐसे युवा पीढ़ी का भी अभिनंदन है, वंदन है कि ये आगे बढ़ के हमारे इन नन्हे मुन्ने स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ शिवा इंटरनेशनल रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल को गाइड करें, इनका मार्गदर्शन करें और इनको आज की दुनिया में चलने के लिए और बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित ही नहीं करें, बल्कि इनके चरित्र का निर्माण करें, इनकी पर्सनालिटी को डेवलप करें और इनको एक अच्छा नागरिक बनाने में अपना योगदान दें। आज यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अभिभावकगण जो अपने इन छोटे छोटे विद्यार्थियों के जो कार्यक्रम थे, जो परेड था, इनको देख के गौरवान्वित भी हो रहे होंगे और खुश भी हो रहे होंगे। यहाँ हेड गर्ल और प्रीफेक्ट्स जिन्होंने आज ओथ लिया, उनको मैं बहुत बधाई देती हूँ, शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ कि दे आर द फ्यूचर लीडर्स। टुडे इज़ अ डे ऑफ प्राइड एंड प्रोमिसेस फॉर यू। Today we are celebrating leadership, and as rightly said, true leaders does not create followers, but true leaders make more leaders like themselves. So I think the leadership which is before me will be leaders in true sense and will lead not only their class and the school children, but would also work with them and try to teach them what they do not know. So leadership is not being a leader in themselves, but creating more leaders and making and working in group, in company with others. That is how leadership should be. And I hope the young leaders who are present here will lead not only in their own way, but they will be leaders in future also. And leaders does not mean only political leaders. Leaders means leader in their own field. They will select some field where they will be leaders and they will be guiding people, they will be helping people and doing their best in whatever way they can. I am really thankful to Shiva International residential school teachers who have inspired the students, who are here to shape their lives, shape their character. And I would like to say for the teachers, they are the nation builders. They are truly building the nation because they are building the characters of the young students, and they are building the students for future endeavor in life. So teachers, we are thankful that you are there to be the best mentor, to be the best guide to the students who are present here, and to the students that you should take the lead in every field. This is the best place to be. School is the best time of your life. School is the best place to be in. And school is the happiest place where you will always remember, which you will always remember in life. We don't remember our college days, we don't remember the other period of our life, but the school days are the best days of our life, which we always remember. So be good friends, do good work, do well in your studies. And as Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awake and stop not until your goal is reached. So you have to be up and about, and you have to work hard in this competitive world to meet the challenges of the world. And to the parents, I would like to say that please spend quality time with the children. Our children are precious. So be good guide to your children, spend good quality time with the children, and communication is what is very much required with the parents and the children, because this communication is reducing day by day because of the social media, because of AI, because of mobile, and because of other such activities where the children are busy, parents are working, and they don't have time to spend with the children. So I would again request the parents, the children are precious to us, they are fragile, handle them with care, give maximum time what you can to the children so that they don't miss their parents, their mothers, and of course our grandparents, those who are very important members of our family. We all are now moving into nucleus families, and there is a big gap in the family system. So I feel the children and the grandparents, this communication and this connection and this love and affection should always be there. So children, visit your grandparents, stay with your grandparents, spend time with them to know what they have gone through and what times they have seen in their lives. You are lucky to get such a good institution to study, and I hope Bilaspur is lucky to have such institutions, schools, where our children can study and be good citizens of the country. As SIRS goes, shape, inspire, rise and succeed. So I wish Shiva International Residential School and all the institutions good wishes. A very happy Diwali to all of you present here, and a very happy and healthy 2026 to all the parents, all the children, and after all the calamities that has happened in Himachal and various parts of Himachal and the recent bus accident, we pray for the family members, we pray for all who have lost their loved ones, and I think this Diwali we need to pray and we need to help those who have lost many near and dear ones in these calamities and the accident which happened recently. I wish all of you good health, good luck, and a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you very much for inviting me for this special function which has happened here today. To all the leaders who are sitting right before me, wish you good luck in life. and let us all work together for inclusion, which is my subject. Let us all come together to work for the disabled section of the society. Let us all come together to give equal rights and equal opportunities to those who are deprived of these things. And let us all be together and rise for the cause of the nation. Thank you very much. Jai Himachal, Jai Hind.
And inspiring address. Your words will surely guide and motivate our young leaders to strive for excellence in a good way.
This opportunity to express a heartfelt gratitude to all who have graced the auspicious occasion with their presence and made it a memorable one. First and foremost, we extend our deepest gratitude to our worthy chief guest, respected Dr. Malika Nadda, President, Special Olympics, Bharat, for taking out time from her busy schedule to grace the occasion. Ma'am, your presence and words of wisdom have truly inspired our young leaders and motivated them to shoulder their responsibilities with sincerity. Please give her a huge round of applause. We are equally grateful to our guest of honor, Shri Dileep Singh Chandel ji, and guest of honor, Shri Jogindra Jambal ji, for joining us today and blessing the occasion. I further thank the administrator of the Chetna Sanstha, Mr. Kashmir ji. I further thank Dr. Shilpa Goyal, Principal SIS Kumarvi, and our heartfelt thanks to all those dignitaries and principals from the Shiva Group. Please give a huge round of applause for gracing this occasion. A sincere note of appreciation for all the parents for their continued support and faith in us, and it is your encouragement and that strengthens our school to resolve to nurture every child's potential. Thank you everyone to be a part of the ceremony. Last but certainly not the least, a special word of appreciation for our students, for their enthusiasm and for basking in the sun for so long and showing discipline, commitment that have made this ceremony truly special one today. Please, a big round of applause to our students. Thank you everyone for being such a nice audience since morning here and making this investiture ceremony a grand one. Thank you and thank you so much. And right, I request everyone present here to please rise in the honor of our national anthem.
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Standing in the sun. सब बच्चे हमारे
Getting photographed, creating memories for the session 2025, and our prefect standing with pride, upholding the traditions of SIR. Thank you once again for making this session a memorable one.
गर्म हो गए बच्चे सब
Our school flag and our house flag. Neha ma'am, kindly get outside. Ramsha ma'am to come outside for photograph.
किसको दे दूँ आज
Done. Okay.
Staff, all the teachers.
स्माइल भी बोल दो भाई। रेडी स्माइल बोलो।
Smile please. Yes. Smile.
कैंडिडेट हो गया कैंडिडेट। नया जनरेशन कुछ नया करें। ऑल द बेस्ट।